Hey everyone! Today we're looking at the 4 best golf grips you should be using in 2025. Let's get started. 1. Golf Pride Tour Velvet. The Tour Velvet is the most trusted grip on tour. It offers a perfect mix of comfort, control, and durability, with a non-slip texture that performs in all weather. A go-to grip for consistency and feel. 2. Lamkin Crossline. The Lamkin Crossline stands out with its firm feel and crisscross texture. It's known for high traction and excellent control, especially on powerful swings. Plus, it's affordable, ideal for re-gripping a full set. 3. Golf Pride Tour Wrap 2G. The Tour Wrap 2G has a smooth wrap-style design with a tacky, high-gloss finish. It feels sticky in your hands, helping you stay connected without squeezing too hard. Perfect for players who prefer a soft, responsive grip. 4. Lamkin Sonar Plus. Finally, the Lamkin Sonar Plus combines comfort with technology. It features fingerprint technology and soft Genesis material for a cushioned feel and all-weather traction. A modern grip that's both durable and performance-driven. If you're serious about improving feel and control, upgrading your grip is a smart move. Got a favorite from the list? Drop it in the comments. We'd love to hear your pick. And if you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more honest gear reviews and golf tips. Thanks for watching, and hit 'em straight.